Ever since growing up, I don't have a concrete memory of myself celebrating my birthday with my family with a song and a small cake. But now, as an intentional parent, I wanted to do everything for my kids, including this milestone after the pandemic. So, a month before my kid's birthday, I wondered if I can pull off a semi DIY surprise party for them. With a month to save and a lot of time to spare, I decided to take the challenge. So my budget is not more than 55,000 pesos, but I'm willing to spend more than 3,000 more, so around less than 60,000. After days of inquiring, listing my options, and of course asking my husband's opinion, as wives, we have to submit to them, I got a list. It fits my budget and I got approval. First, I made sure to list my guests and provide them with available dates for the majority. On my invitation, I strictly added not to bring presents, as you know, times are tough and I want my guests just to have a good time. I edited the invitation on Canva, sent it virtually, and confirmed the guests. From there, I was able to communicate with my suppliers what I need and for how much. Please enjoy the next videos for our preparation for the surprise party, execution, and the results. Enjoy! Happy birthday! Okay lang ko na. Come here! Happy birthday to Zaki! Come here! Oh, come here!
Wow! Hi! Na-surprise ka ba?
Opo.
Hindi mo alam ganito kaganda.